Monday morning, everybody. All right, YouTube family. Captain Jeff here. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? All right, I got the e-bike. I was riding around. I saw this old boat ramp. All right, I'm thinking me, you, and this river right here on this old boat ramp with that kayak right here. We'll put that baby in right here and just see what's out there. What do you think? All right. Oh, the possibilities. Anyway, have a great Monday, great work week. Stay positive, stay motivated. And keep watching for more exciting videos. Captain Jeff, later.